Vessel call sign Airport AC. Vessel call sign Airport AC. Vessel call sign Airport AC. This is travel traffic. Travel traffic. Travel traffic. Advice change to bridge channel 69. Please over.
Motor Vessel traffic is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, Juliet, Zulu, after changing to BHF channel 69 over.
Vessel call sign Airport AC. This travel traffic. Traffic stain descent right. Advice special computer vessel update over.
Motor Vessel traffic is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu. Yes, you are correct, sir. My flag state is Simran. I spelled the name of the vessel. Mike, Oscar, November, and Oscar. Next word, Bravo, Oscar, November, Alpha. Victor, India, Sierra, Tango, Alpha. Call sign, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu, over.
Everyone of the Vista, Airport JC, the disaster traffic question, what is position is over.
Motor Vessel Karangila, traffic is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu. My position is about 2 nautical miles, south of Louis, Delta 9, over.
Everyone of the Vista, Airport JC, disaster traffic. There are 3 vessels in the line from the north and the south captain. Question, which of the 3 are you over?
Motor Vessel Karangila, traffic is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu, and the southernmost of the 3 vessels over.
Everyone of the Vista, Airport JC, disaster traffic. Well, captain, I still have problems following you. Advice, alter your course for 25 degrees to the northeast or identification over.
Motor Vessel Karangila, traffic is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu, understood. Altering my course for 25 degrees to the northeast for identification, over.
Everyone of the Vista, Airport JC, disaster traffic. Okay, fine, I have to wait you on my radar screen now. What can I do for you, captain, over?
Motor Vessel Karangila, traffic is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu. My destination is Shangri-La Central Port. Is a bird clear for me, over.
Everyone of the Vista, Airport JC, disaster traffic. I see, captain. In this case, I need to know some more information, captain. Question number 1. What's your drop forward and up? What is your cargo, over?
Motor Vessel Karangila, traffic is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu. My drop forward is 9.25 miles. My drop up is 10.20. My cargo is 282120 minus containers, no dangerous goods, over.
Everyone of the Vista, Airport JC, disaster traffic. Understood. Drop forward 9.25 meters up, 10.20 meters. Cargo 282120 containers. No dangerous goods. Last question, captain. What is your last port call? Who is your agent in Shangri-La active, over?
Motor Vessel Karangila, traffic is, this is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu. My last port of call was Busan in Korea. My agent in Shangri-La is Sinotrans Limited, over.
MV for Buena Vista Airport disaster traffic. Okay, captain, wait a minute. Please, information your orders have changed. You have to proceed to road to container terminal bird number 16. Conduct road traffic. One-way change. Channel 73 for further information. Did you get it, captain? Over.
Motor Vessel Shangri-La, traffic is Motor Vessel Monroe, Mala Vista, Lima, 4 Juliet, Zulu. Understood. My Terminal. Board number 16, changing to page of channel 73 for long traffic. Thank you for your assistance, sir. Good watch. Out.
Thank you.